This is Candy. She is one of the prettiest cats we have on the adoption floor right now. She's 7 years old, and she greets us at the door every morning. Now, apparently, when we're open to adoptions and there are strangers involved that do want to meet her, she tends to be a little shy or aloof. So if you're interested in her and you come to meet her, please plan to spend a couple of minutes and give her time to warm up to you because it is worth the wait. She is friendly, she's playful, and like you just saw, she waits at the door for you once she does know you and feels comfortable with you. She's pretty good about being brushed. As you see, she's got about medium-length hair. She does need some brushing done daily, with at least as much as she will allow. She'll give you a little warning. She might walk away or something to show that you are dismissed, but this pretty girl has actually been with us for over 3 months. She is just such a sweetheart. We really want her to find a good home where she's happy and healthy and has a lot of fun, right? So if you're interested in this pretty girl, please come out to Wayside Ways and ask to meet Candy. Good girl.